Okay, I'm trying to show how Keypass works. So right now you can see that I have my MyChevrolet app, but that I'm connected by OnStar.
Hello YouTube, it's Chris and I'm back in the Bolt again today. And hey, you know what? One of the most misunderstood features of the Chevrolet Bolt has to be this Keypass feature.
My car is right over there behind that tree. So as I walk into range of the car, you should see that it will change from OnStar, connected by OnStar, to connected by Keypass.
This Keypass feature has driven me crazy for over a year now, and I finally got help by contacting some of the people on the Canadian Bolt owners group forum on Facebook. So thanks guys.
So the only difference is connected by OnStar, you're going to use cellular data. It's going to go up to the Chevrolet servers and then connect to your car. So it takes about a minute to unlock your doors and do different things like that. As soon as you get within Keypass range, Keypass will allow you to do all those things over Bluetooth, which is much quicker.
Mine didn't work for over a year, and this is what the problem was. I could never get the mobile app, my Chevrolet mobile app, to sync with the Bolt. This is how I solved the problem. From the home screen, I went into settings, and from settings I went into return to factory settings, which scared me. I didn't really want to do this, but if you go into factory settings, you've got three options: reset vehicle settings, which I didn't touch; restore radio settings, which I didn't touch; but this one, clear all private data. When I pressed this, it said you're about to clear all private data, including your favorite and phone information. Okay, well, that was great. So I'm not going to do it again, but that allowed me to then, it cleared all of my connections, my Bluetooth phone connections. So it cleared my device, which now I've repaired. But before I repaired it with here, I ran the Keypass setup, and the Keypass setup now shows me connected. Fantastic. My God, that took about a year to get that working. So that was the difference, is that I couldn't see this device in before I did the restore.
Oh, there. It just changed to Keypass, and we're really close to the car. So now let's try to unlock the door. Yeah, see how fast it is now? So quick. It doesn't have to go all the way up to the internet. Let's try a precondition. Oh, and the other thing, of course, the car knows you're here, so it should turn on its lights as well. So let's try precondition. Okay, car's locked. Precondition start. There you go. I just started preconditioning. Cool.
So yeah, right on. Thanks again to those guys on the Chevrolet forum, on the Facebook forum for Canadian Bolt owners. Fantastic. And yeah, go ahead. If I did it, you can do it. Go ahead and set up Keypass. It definitely speeds up the interaction between your mobile device and your Chevrolet Bolt. All right, until next time, talk to you later.